Very interesting what you have there, my friend. It is one of the original forms of paper currency that was utilized back within the 1700s, while we were still under the control of the British Empire. Not to say that we aren't still now, which is why those currencies are backed by Eastern Hemisphere governments. Those are pretty much lines of credit or promissory notes, for example. Just another form of fiat currency. For example, we have the United States note, which is one form of fiat currency issued by the United States government, which is backed by nothing but the public's acceptance as a currency to use. So what that means is a majority of people could say, fuck this shit, and it could be gone tomorrow, and everybody would be broke who had it. Or rather, the people who tried to accumulate wealth with these notes. A paper currency that actually had value were the silver certificates, which were actually backed by something that you physically put into the bank. Or you could redeem something that was physically put into the bank, as well as a gold certificate, which was utilized to redeem the gold that was put into the treasury, a physical substance that actually has monetary value to it. See, going back to the negatives and positives of utilizing cash as an asset, cash only utilizes the left side. A note like this utilizes the left and right side. So books could be balanced. But now they're fucking around with all this fiat currency, raising the national debt, all this excess money that they're printing. That doesn't even belong to us, it belongs to a private fucking corporation, people. Realize that. Because if the private corporation ever sits here and says, we've come to collect on the money that you owe us, we're going to have another Great Depression or something similar to that. Because the more we utilize debit transactions and cash transactions, the more we stock up a debt that we can't pay because we're not utilizing the credit system and zeroing the balances of the accounts that exist. Wake up, people. There's a lot of rules and regulations that aren't really laws. You need to know the difference.